Difference between map, applymap and apply methods in Pandas. Can you tell me when to use these vectorization methods with basic examples? I see that map is a series method whereas the rest are data frame methods. I got confused about apply and applymap methods though. Why do we have two methods for applying a function to a data frame? Again, simple examples which illustrate the usage would be great.
Comparing map, applymap and apply, context matters. First major difference, definition. Map is defined on series only, applymap is defined on data frames only, apply is defined on both. Second major difference, input argument. Map accepts dicts, series, or callable, applymap and apply accept callables only. Third major difference, behavior. Map is element-wise for series. Applymap is element-wise for data frames. Apply also works element-wise but is suited to more complex operations and aggregation. The behavior and return value depends on the function. Fourth major difference, the most important one, use case. Map is meant for mapping values from one domain to another, so is optimized for performance. For example, dfa.map 1 column A to 2 column B, 3 column C. Applymap is good for element-wise transformations across multiple rows/columns, for example, dfa, B, C, .applymap str.strip. Apply is for applying any function that cannot be vectorized, for example, df sentences.apply nltk.sent_tokenize. Also see when should I not want to use pandas apply in my code. For a write-up I made a while back on the most appropriate scenarios for using apply, note that there aren't many, but there are a few. Apply is generally slow. Summarizing. Footnotes. Map when passed a dictionary/series will map elements based on the keys in that dictionary/series. Missing values will be recorded as NaN in the output. Applymap in more recent versions has been optimized for some operations. You will find applymap slightly faster than apply in some cases. My suggestion is to test them both and use whatever works better. Map is optimized for element-wise mappings and transformation. Operations that involve dictionaries or series will enable pandas to use faster code paths for better performance. Series.apply returns a scalar for aggregating operations, series otherwise. Similarly for dataframe.apply. Note that apply also has fast paths when called with certain NumPy functions such as mean, sum, etc.
Apply works on a row, column basis of a data frame. Applymap works element-wise on a data frame. Map works element-wise on a series. Straight from Wes McKinney's Python for Data Analysis book, page 132, I highly recommended this book. Another frequent operation is applying a function on one d-arrays to each column or row. Dataframe's apply method does exactly this. Many of the most common array statistics, like sum and mean, are dataframe methods, so using apply is not necessary. Element-wise Python functions can be used, too. Suppose you wanted to compute a formatted string from each floating point value in frame. You can do this with applymap. The reason for the name applymap is that series has a map method for applying an element-wise function.
Quick summary. Dataframe.apply operates on entire rows or columns at a time. Dataframe.applymap, series.apply, and series.map operate on one element at a time. Series.apply and series.map are similar and often interchangeable. Some of their slight differences are discussed in OS's answer below.
Adding to the other answers, in a series there are also map and apply. Apply can make a data frame out of a series. However, map will just put a series in every cell of another series, which is probably not what you want. Also, if I had a function with side effects, such as connect to a web server, I'd probably use apply just for the sake of clarity. Map can use not only a function, but also a dictionary or another series. Let's say you want to manipulate permutations. Take the square of this permutation is. You can compute it using map. Not sure if self-application is documented, but it works in 0.15.1.